It's really hard in the rare disease space, or really just the patient advocacy space, to recognize milestones, because we think of all the families that we've lost over these last 50 years. So we try and think about the impact that the organization, which began as the Committee to Combat Huntington's Disease and became HDSA in the late 1980s, to really think about what we've accomplished as a community. Today, there is a robust network of care centers. The HDSA Centers of Excellence are 41 strong and are touching thousands of lives every year, which is really exciting, and I don't think Marjorie ever would have dreamed of. The scientific community has come so far. While we don't have disease-modifying treatments for Huntington's disease yet, they are something that is a tangible reality for a horizon that's not too far away. And we do have 2 FDA-approved drugs to treat symptoms for Huntington's disease, which again is a huge accomplishment when you consider the pace of science. People today with Huntington's disease are living more comfortably. There are tools at the disposal of the medical community to help manage cognitive and behavioral symptoms and to manage the chorea. So these are all quality of life improvements that could not have been envisioned 50 years ago. And I think about Marjorie Guthrie as a philanthropic icon, someone who really envisioned a better day and was committed to doing something. And to look at the organization and the community today, how much we've accomplished, I know she'd be inspired and proud. Huntington's disease families are always aware of the clock on the wall, the calendar that with each passing day creates greater risk, more complicated symptoms, and just the onset of disease. And so for HDSA, we're constantly working against that clock. We're racing to bring science forward as quickly as we can and make sure that every family in the United States has access to a truly expert HD professional. For us right now, we're continuing to push the expansion of our Centers of Excellence program, to get the HD Parity Act passed on Capitol Hill, which continues its charge forward, and to bring disease-modifying treatments forward. And we won't stop until every family is able to stop the course of this disease.